Hello, welcome. CEDriverWizTemplates. Previous videos in this series provide an introduction to the templates and how to install them. This video focused upon the use of the templates. CEDriverWizTemplates provides some project templates in Visual Studio 8 for Windows Embedded Compact 7 operating system projects. These templates are actioned through the Add New Projects menu in Visual Studio with an existing Compact 7 operating system Visual Studio project. The main template generates a custom stream driver project. The others provide test application projects for the stream. The templates are the stream driver. This is the driver which generates a DLL that gets loaded into the operating system. The load test application. This writes the required registry settings for user mode loading of the driver and then loads the driver in user mode. The unload test application. This finds a device handle to the driver and unloads it. The reload test application. This loads the driver again, assuming that the registry settings are present. Basic stream test application. This opens and closes the stream as a test for the driver being loaded. The stream test application. This writes a string to the driver's stream and then reads it back. ioctls test application. This actions 10 ioctls with the driver. The driver will have 5 of these, and so 5 should work and 5 should fail. The stream driver project implements a custom driver project. When fully implemented, the driver stores a string written to the stream in a buffer that is then read back when a read is actioned on the stream. The project template generates the required source, header, parameter files based upon template options. The project test applications will test the loading of the stream driver in user mode and test its functionality. They are specific to the stream. Alternatively, the driver can be figured to load with the operating system at startup, and then its functionality can be tested with 3 of the apps. There we can see the registry entries for the stream driver, the mindstreet.dll and the str prefix, and the flags indicating it will be loaded in user mode. Then below that is some of the source code for the driver, the function prototypes to initialize the driver, to unload it, to open and close it, and so forth in user mode. When installed, the templates are accessed via the Add New Project dialog under Platform Builder heading, along with the Windows Embedded Compact 7 operating system template icon. These are displayed for selection by right-clicking on the operating system solution in the Solution Explorer and choosing Add New Project. Note that you don't, at this point, get these templates by right-clicking on the operating system sub-projects and choosing Add New Projects there. This issue was discussed in previous videos. Here you can see the dialog for the stream driver template. You enter the prefix and select other various options for the driver, such as whether it's user mode or kernel mode, and then press finish. The project and its files will be created. Then you right click on subprojects and choose Add Existing Subproject. With CEDriverWiz, the forerunner of this tool, you could select all the projects or a subset and generate them as one action, all the same stream name, stream prefix, along with the DIRS file that could be used to load all the subprojects into the operating system in a single action. This templates version of the wizard does not at this point facilitate the generation of all the projects in one action. You have to generate each separately. In doing so, you enter the same stream name and stream prefix for each. In doing so, you enter the same stream name and stream prefix for each. Each stream and its projects are located under the operating system subprojects folder in a folder that has the stream name. Each project generated for the same stream from these templates is located as a separate folder under the stream folder. The stream driver template generates the DIRS files for all the template projects for the same stream. Let's now look at the steps for creating a new stream driver project. To create a template project, you start by loading your Windows Embedded Compact 7 operating system project into Visual Studio 2008 or develop a new one, and you get it into a runnable state on a target device but not running. This is important because you can't add new project to a solution when a solution project is running. With CEDriverWiz, the forerunner for this, you could do this because it does not use Visual Studio new project generation mechanism. You then right-click on the operating system solution in Solution Explorer, not the operating system project nor its sub-projects. For each template that you action for the same stream, you enter the same stream name as the project name for each template. Ignore the location, as this is automatically generated from the OS, the stream name, and the specific template under the operating system subprojects folder. When creating a stream driver and an ancillary test project for a stream, create the test projects first and then create the stream driver project last. This will avoid an error issue that may arise that the stream project has already been created. Having selected one of the templates and pressed enter, you get a project template specific dialog. Most are similar in that they all have options with respect to stream prefix and messages. The stream name is locked at this stage. Press cancel to go back and change the stream name if it needs be. The stream driver template has a number of driver specific options, such as whether the driver is to be loaded in kernel or user mode, and ioctls. When finished with a template, press enter to generate the template. We can select other projects When finished with the template, press enter to generate the template. It will appear as a project of the solution, not as a sub-project of the operating system. It needs to be added to the operating system. Right-click on the sub-projects tree in the Solution Explorer for the operating system and select Add Existing Project. Browse to the new project. Each will be in a separate folder under the Stream folder. Ignore the DIRS file at the root of the Stream folder. Select the .pppxml or sources file for the specific project. Alternatively, rather than adding each project to the operating system as a sub-project separately, you can create each project, then select the DIRS file in the root of the stream folder after creating the driver project. You can now build each sub-project separately by right-clicking on it and selecting Build, or you can right-click on the stream itself and build all the projects in one hit. This will be continued in part B of this video. Here are the links to the wizards. Here are some further resources. Thank Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next.